And it goes a little something like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am doing my cousin's hair. We're doing a invisible braiding in the front and knotless braids, single braids in the back. I decided to go with doing time lapse because knowing this style, it really does take a long time to do and to go through, but I really wanted to just videotape me doing it just to show you guys perspective doing someone else's hair other than doing mine. Even though I wish I did end up taking a little clips of individuals of how I actually go about doing it from that angle of doing someone else's hair. Maybe in the future, or maybe next time I do her hair, I will try to do that for you guys. But this is just me showing you guys me doing her hair into a style of her choice. So I did do a little slow down clip of how everything looked so far, and this is how it was looking, and I was really happy with it. This is how I actually like doing my hair. That way it looks like it's coming out of my own roots, even though it's not. As you can see in the front, there is no knots or bumps, and that is how we are doing the style in the front. So as you can see, it did take a lot of time with doing the style. I believe we started around 6 p.m. and we did end around 11 p.m. in the night. As you can see, the time is really coming down on us and it's turning into night, so we had to move inside to do the back. So as you can see here, I am doing the back section of her hair and we're doing the knotless. I decided to just part and section each section just to make it easier for me down the line, because it was really taking a lot more time when I was doing it one after the other. So I sectioned her hair off in squares and then put it up, and then it really worked better that way and everything finished much faster. So this is how everything was looking. This is how the knotless braids are looking in the back. And we left off at, like I said, 11 p.m. at night, and we finished up in the morning by clipping away all of the loose ends and hot water in it. And this is how it looked. This was the final look of it all. Let me know what you guys think. I will do this knotless braids to my hair eventually. I do have my braids, I just have not take time to do it myself, but this is how it looked. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys would do this for yourselves, hit the like button, you guys. I am going in this month. I'm really trying to be persistent again and just make videos whenever I get the chance. And of course, you know, no style is complete without doing the baby hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.